Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete Joi Random Video Chat account easily. If you already have a Joi account and want to remove it, simply open the Joi app. Once the app opens, tap the profile icon in the corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon to access your account options. Before deleting your account, make sure to cancel any active subscription you may have. After that, go to the account settings and select the option to delete your account. Then confirm your choice and your account will be removed. If you want to use Joi again in the future, creating a new account is simple. Just tap Start, enter your name, add your date of birth, and continue with the setup process. Then your new account will be ready in just a few seconds. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.